guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's none other than the number 63. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top, we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian style, and down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 63. If you would like to see the previous 62, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And as we mosey on down, we see the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. All of the different rooms. It looks really cool. I can't wait to complete it with you guys. And guys, of course, this collection is from editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel collection, which I unbox. If you're interested in that, if you're interested in the Marvel universe, make sure to check out the playlist located in my channel. Well, let's continue on. And here it says, dollhouses of the 1970s, and it talks about that. Let's see. That looks pretty cool. Let's turn the page here. Those like checkered sofas are really cool. I like those. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? And down here it puts point for point exactly all of the items in the house. That's up here. And well guys, let's continue on. I also really like this like light blue color. It's nice. You guys tell me what you guys think. And here it teaches you how to put the wallpaper for the outside of the house. And it also teaches you how to connect this wooden piece as well. So there's that. And then it walks you through how to do that. It shows you step by step. It looks really cool guys. I can't wait to do this project with you guys. As I always say with this collection, once I unbox the entire thing, I will walk you through how to do each one of these projects. So guys, make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And well, let's continue on. And this is really cute for a baby. And here it just talks about like different baby carriages that would be used during this time frame. And here it talks about the Habsburgo and the Austro-Hungarian Empire. There you can see the family there. Her dress is just beautiful. Let's continue on. Here it talks more about that. And here it talks a bit about Rudolph II, which you can see there. And well guys, let's continue on. Here on the back, you just see the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this of course is from editorial Salvat, as I said before. But well guys, that's the end of that, and now it's time to see the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. First up, we got another Frankenwood piece. You guys know the drill, it's the same color as all the rest. It's pretty thick on all the sides. Here's one side and the other. And now guys, let's check out our new wallpapers. But these wallpapers are going to be for the front of the house. And this number comes with 2 of them. So here's the first one. And here's the second. I'm just gonna show you guys the other side. As you can see, it's just white because this is the part that we're going to be gluing down to the Frankenwood. It's a nice, like, thickish paper, and it's kind of plastified. So there's that. And on this first one that I showed you before, I'm going to show you the back, which as you can see is just the same as the other. And well guys, tell me, what do you guys think about the new additions? Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, down in the description below, I also have links to all of my social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all of that linked down below. So make sure to go on over and follow me on all of those. I hope to see you guys on there. And guys, of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys, you know. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.